Hi, thanks for clicking through to this time-lapse video tutorial showing you how to use my videos of drawing worksheets that I have loaded onto my Patreon and also available on my website. The links are below. This is a shortened version just to give you an idea of the worksheets and how to go about using them to learn to draw. So here I am. First of all, we trace and we get an idea and a feel for drawing our little bumblebee, and then once we've done that we go over to the other side and have a go at the full length version. So I do go in here, and as I'm tracing you I also show you how to actually do the tracing that we're working on. You don't have to do that part, that's just what I've done just to try and make it easy for you to see what I'm tracing, otherwise you can't see. So yeah, then I go on to show how to do the full drawing for you guys, but as I say, full commentary, full video is available over on my Patreon. The link's below and I hope to see you there. There are so many other videos there and sheets there as well. I show you how to do a final drawing and then to colour in 4 different ways: in pastels, in coloured pencils, in acrylic, and there's one more, in watercolour. So if you go along there, not only do you learn how to draw, but I teach you how to paint them as well. So pop along, can't wait to see you there and join the Heart Tribe. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment. Keep it kind, guys, in the comments. Please post anything that you've done from this video, and thanks for coming along.